Every morning at 3:17, Marcus wakes up gasping. His alarm is blaring, but when he checks his phone, nothing is set. No alarm, no timer, nothing. And every night, the dream starts the same way. He is standing in his childhood bedroom, and something is written on the wall. He gets closer every time. Last night, he could almost read the first word. Then the alarm screams. Marcus used to think something was waking him up to protect him. Now he is starting to wonder if something is protecting itself.